Okay.
Intimidation for what?
So you walked over to my car.
Over your car and asked you, what are you doing?
And then you
what
started.
Are you doing? Following me.
What were you just saying to your friend on the phone?
What are you doing? This ain't my friend, it's my woman.
How did you describe me?
It's my woman. I called you a racist.
Why'd you do that?
Because you stopping me.
Because
Why you pull here? You was going that way. Why you pull here?
I saw. You said she works the street, right? That girl you picked up, she works the street.
Listen, I'll be honest with you. Can I? Because I'm gonna incriminate myself or something. I was gonna help her buy something. She got food stamps. She's gonna buy me something for getting her around like down here. No, I don't have to lie.
No.
I don't have to lie.
Okay, so
I'm a drug dealer.
No.
I'm a drug dealer.
Did I get out? Did I get out and approach you, accuse you of anything?
But you're doing it on the one way to try to intimidate me.
I did. I saw you pick up a girl, and you already told me she works the street.
So you can't help people.
So are you? Is that? Listen.
I can't buy her a drink.
If you're trying to help her, that's an honorable thing.
Okay. So what are you saying? So what are you saying? So why are you sitting here talking?
So
you going off assumption. You can't arrest me or do anything off
I'm not trying to arrest you. I didn't even get out of my car.
So leave me the fuck alone. I'm standing.
I was leaving you alone.
What the fuck I want to say?
I was just sitting in my car looking at memes on my cell phone.
Bro. Freedom of speech. I'm gonna wait till somebody come and I'm gonna leave and you gonna sit here and look stupid.
Why you gotta wait on someone else?
You gonna sit here and look stupid.
Your license no good?
What you mean?
Is your license no good?
I don't know. You ain't got nothing to do with that.
Why do you need someone else to drive you home?
Because the car's messed up. The mechanic's coming, my brakes is messed up.
Oh, you still drove it anyway, though.
I'm going to get my brakes fixed.
Okay.
Hey, you should see this motherfucker.
Say.
Hey, I'm not making it up. Why are you sitting here then? Tell me why you sitting here.
I'm trying to, but you keep interrupting me every time I try.
Okay, I want to hear the bullshit answer. Go ahead.
So, we both know she's a prostitute that works the street. Listen, we both know she's a prostitute that works the street, right?
Is that suspicious?
No, we both know that, right?
No, I don't know it.
Okay. You already told me that
I don't know.
you were trying to help her get off the street and all this other
I didn't say I
stuff.
was trying to help her get off the street. I said she asked me to take her to the store. She's going to buy me something. I said, cool. That's it. What's the problem? What's the problem?
When a police officer observes somebody pick up a prostitute,
what they gotta do?
that alerts their suspicion.
Well, you can't do nothing to me over suspicion because I haven't committed a crime.
I can continue to watch the suspicious activity.
Suspicious is gone. What's suspicious now?
You know what else? You know what else? This is the district that I serve.
We two grown men, though.
I am keeping this area safe with my presence.
You tell me I can't interrupt you. You can't control me. But I don't work for you. You work for me. Actually, you work for me.
Okay. Well, I'm right here providing you a service.
Right. So I'm asking you.
I'm keeping you safe.
Oh, your service is no longer legal.
Well, that's your opinion. I have my own opinion. Maybe.
No, because that's harassment. You don't want to put it on your camera.
Did I walk over to you and talk to you in any way?
Because you're watching me. You point right here just to watch me.
I'm watching a guy that I observed pick up a prostitute.
You watch a guy that you observed picking up a person.
Okay.
A person. You assume that because that's what you want to assume. Because that's what you cops do. You ain't good at your job evidently. Because if you know that,